Book Review, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. 1. Asset-focused mindset. Differentiate between income-generating assets and financial liabilities. Example, invest in real estate for passive income instead of splurging on depreciating luxuries. 2. Power of financial education. Empower yourself with invaluable knowledge on money management, investing, and wealth building. Example, attend financial literacy seminars or devour books on personal finance. 3. Entrepreneurial spirit. Embrace entrepreneurship as a pathway to financial freedom. Example, launch a profitable side business or invest in lucrative ventures. 4. Passive income mastery. Create steady streams of passive income. Example, through rental properties, dividend stocks, or royalties from creative works. 5. Good debt versus bad debt. Understand the distinction between debt that enhances wealth creation and debt that burdens finances. Example, leverage real estate loans for long-term growth, not credit card debts. 6. Mindful spending habits. Prioritize essential expenses and curb frivolous spending. Example, invest in income-generating assets rather than indulging in unnecessary extravagances. 7. Diversify income sources. Cultivate multiple streams of revenue for financial security and growth. Example, explore freelancing, diverse investments, or building profitable side hustles. 8. Calculated risk-taking. Assess and seize well-informed opportunities for investments and business ventures. Example, conduct meticulous research and analysis before making financial decisions. 9. Future-oriented financial planning. Formulate long-term financial strategies, set goals, and diligently work towards them. Example, save for retirement, invest in growth assets, and establish emergency funds. 10. Network of success. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who have achieved financial success or share similar aspirations. Example, seek guidance from mentors, join networking groups, or attend industry events. If you like my videos, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.